The battery won't charge on my John Deere. One of the most frustrating things that can occur when trying to garden or work on your lawn is to have a malfunction in your John Deere. When something like this happens, it can cost you several hours of maintenance to fix, especially if it is something as important as the battery. Luckily, most John Deere implements have batteries that are capable of being charged. However, even this can sometimes cause problems. There are several things that you can try if your John Deere battery will not charge. Check beneath the flywheel on the charging system. With John Deere's, there is a common problem with wires simply slipping off of the charging system, causing them not to operate or charge like they should. If you are trying to charge the battery but are not having any success, try tightening the wires connecting to the charging system. This will solve the most common problems. Check your ground connections. The battery will have to be grounded in some way to charge it. If it is not grounded, the battery will not charge, causing many people to believe that their battery is malfunctioning. However, all you have to do is ground the battery via the enclosed grounding connections and the battery will charge. To find out how to do this, consult your user's manual. Check the alternator. The alternator is what perpetuates the power from the battery to all other parts of the John Deere. If the alternator is bad, the battery will not charge properly because the power will be leached into other areas prematurely. The alternator will actually be more expensive to replace than the battery would have been, but, unfortunately, it will have to be changed if you want the John Deere to work. It might be under warranty, so check that before purchasing anything.